Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be showing you how to make cucumber detox water for weight loss. This is a refreshing and healthy drink that can help you shed some pounds while also giving your body a boost of hydration and nutrients. To make this drink you will need a few simple ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, a handful of fresh mint leaves, water. Start by washing your cucumber and lemon thoroughly. You will want to remove any dirt or debris from the skin. Slice your cucumber into the thin rounds. You can use a mandolin slicer to make this easier, but a sharp knife will also work. Cut your lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a pitcher or large jar. Add the sliced cucumber and a handful of fresh mint leaves to the pitcher. Fill the pitcher with water, making sure to cover all the ingredients. Give the mixture a stir, cover the pitcher and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight if possible. Once the cucumber detox water has chilled and infused, it's ready to drink. You can strain out the cucumber and mint leaves if you prefer, but they are safe to consume if left in the drink. This cucumber detox water is a great alternative to sugary drinks and can help you stay hydrated while also promoting weight loss. The cucumber is low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time. The lemon adds a burst of vitamin C and can help boost your metabolism, while the mint leaves provide a refreshing flavor and can help with digestion. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to make cucumber detox water for weight loss. Give this recipe a try and let us know in the comments below how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe ideas and wellness tips.